Hey everyone, I'm doing an update on the Blacksmith 3344. As you remember, I took them to Portland for a week on a trip. But before we start today, I'm wearing the 8859 mock toes in navy. Can't get enough of those. So anyways, on to the Blacksmith 3344 in Hawthorne Muleskinner. So I packed these to Portland, was there for about a week for a wedding. Did some hiking, some rafting, and also stomped around the Nike campus with some boots. While at the wedding in Portland, I noticed that one of the caterers was wearing a pair of 8119s in oxblood mesa leather. And he said he got those for free after working an event. And they were really well worn in boots, and he said that they were the most comfortable shoes he has and had ever owned. And as you can see from the photos, he has put a lot of use to them. We spoke for a while about his Iron Rangers, and I told him my love for Red Wings, and yeah, it was good to see someone wearing some at the wedding. I wish I would have had my Red Wings on at the time, but I had to wear some fancy wedding shoes. So let's take a closer look at these. Okay, so with the Blacksmith 3344, this is the Hawthorne Muleskinner leather with the Goodyear welt and the Vibram 430 mini lug sole, which makes this a very comfortable boot. So nowadays when you go through security, you don't have to remove your shoes, but if you've ever traveled with a Red Wing boot, you have to remove your shoes because there's a steel shank in there, and I had to remove my boots. Anyways, these are made on the 8 last, the Blacksmiths, and we have eyelets and gilt hooks, and of course triple stitch. And also right now you could probably hear this little guy snoring right by me. Let me show you what's going on. This guy right here is snoring while I'm trying to do this video, and he's just in heaven right here. See that? Just doing his thing while I'm trying to do my thing. He's snoring away. Yeah, you're interrupting my video with your snoring. So the Blacksmith 3344 are only available in Europe, and I bought these at the Hepcat store in Sweden. You can see that video. That guy. You can see that video with the 3344 unboxing that I did. Let's do the on feet. So thanks for watching, and remember, be a boot. See you guys next time.